Hi all, welcome to RK SoftAcademy. In this video, I'll discuss about Oracle SQL string functions. So, the number one is what are different types of string functions in Oracle SQL, and number two, explain each type of string functions with examples. So, I will explain each of the string functions with examples in SQL. So, before starting my video, I just wanted to inform, if my video was helpful for you or if you have learned something from my video, just give a like, share it with your friends, colleagues and relatives, and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Now, Oracle string functions, there are two types of Oracle string functions. Number one, so there are two types of Oracle string functions. So number one is case manipulation function. Case manipulation function, and number two is character manipulation functions. So number one, now case manipulation functions. So what are the different types of case manipulation functions? So there are basically three types of case manipulation functions, or three case manipulation functions. So number one is, so in case manipulation functions, so there are basically three case manipulation functions. First one is lower. So what it does, it basically takes a parameter or argument, that is string, and it converts this string to lowercase. So it converts the string to lowercase. Okay, that is very simple. So let's go to the SQL environment and we can see. So here is an example: select lower just I'm writing this from dual, so it will give me the lowercase of the specified string. Okay, fine. Now number two is upper. So that also takes one parameter, that is string, and it converts the string to uppercase, converts the string to uppercase. Now let's do it. Select, if I just try to do the same thing for upper function, upper from dual, I'll get all the uppercase, all the letters in uppercase. So I'm getting the desired output. Okay, fine. Number three is init cap. Init cap, that's full form is initial capital, or that means the first letter of each word it will convert to capital letters. Now it will take the same string as a parameter, and it converts the first letter of each word to uppercase. Now let's see. Select this time I'll write INIT cap, and here I'll write all the lowercase in hello world from dual. So okay, I'm getting the desired result. Fine. So these are the case manipulation functions. Now come to the second point of the two types of string functions, that is character manipulation functions. So number 2 is character manipulation function. Character manipulation functions. Now in character manipulation functions there are basically several character manipulation functions are there in Oracle SQL. So I will discuss each of the functions, their working, how they works. I will show you in SQL environment also. Now number 1 comes to concat. So it will take two parameters or arguments. These two parameters are strings. So first one is string 1 and second one is string 2, and it converts. What it does is it concatenates or joins, basically it joins two strings. So let's do it. Select concat. I'll write here one person's name, that is John, and surname Doe from dual. So it will come John Doe in one as a one string. So it is coming the desired result. Okay, fine. Number 2 is in character manipulation function, that is substr, that is substring, that is called substring. The full form of substr is substring. So it takes 3 parameters. String, number 1 is string, second is the start position, and number 3 is length. So it basically extract or cut the specific substring from the main string at a specified position for a given length. So it extract or cut the substring at the specific position, specified position for a given length. What the length we have given here. So what is the example? Now see here, I will write select substr substring. So our main string, let's say John, JHONDOE. I'm writing John Doe as a main string, and here second parameter is the start position. So this position will be a number always. Okay, so like 1 2 3 like this. So I'll write here 2, and I'll write the number 3, that is the length. This is also a number, right? So how long the substring length will be, or our extracted string will be, right? So our extracted string, what will be the length of our extracted string? So let's give here 3 from dual. So what will give it, it will give the output. So from the second position, this is the 2, this is the starting position. So here mention second parameter is the starting position. From position 2, it will give 3 characters as a extracted string. Length of the extracted string is 3 characters. That is from second position. So position first is 1, that is J. So second position is O, small o. So from small o, it will give 3 characters, OHN, that is length is 3, that is the character length is 3. Now let's see. So I am getting the desired output, right? Fine. Now come to the third character manipulation function. So third character manipulation function is concat. So it will take, no, concat I already discussed. So it will come instr, that is in string. So instr, the full form is in string. So it will take basically 4 parameters. Number 1 is string, number 2 is substring, number 3 is start position, and number 4 is occurrence. So it basically, what it does, it basically returns the starting position of the specified occurrence of a substring within the main string. So here first one is string, which is the main string. Second one is a substring, which I am going to find within the main string. Okay, so this is the main string, and I am going to find the starting position of the substring within the main string. It basically helps us to find out the starting position of the desired substring within the main string. Okay, and also if there are more than one occurrence, I can get the what is the occurrence. With the specific occurrence, I can get the desired substring position number. So it returns always a number. Okay, so now it returns the starting position of the specified string, basically the occurrence of the string, specified occurrence of the substring, actually substring within the main string. As I already discussed, right? So let's see the example here. So now let's suppose in John Doe I want the position of HN. I am going to find out the position of HN, that is my substring, in the main string John Doe. So what will be the query? Select instr. Now I'm writing here the name. Now I am going to find HN, the substring position from dual. So though it takes 4 parameters at most, but if I mention only the 2 parameters, that always takes starting position as the 1 and the occurrence as the 1. Okay, so default start position and the occurrence will be 1. Fine. So here I am missing the third and fourth parameter values, right? So that means if I mention here third as 1 or fourth as 1, that will be the same. So I am just not going to mention it. That will come the output as the same. So here, see here 3 will be the output. So J is the first position, O is the second position, and H in the third position. So HN, this substring, will be in the third position of the main string John Doe, right? Fine, I think you understood. Right, now I am going to take another example. Select instr. Let's suppose my main string is mango or orange. Okay, so what I am going to find here, OR, and I am going to find here from the first position and second occurrence, in this case from dual. So what it will give as output? So here for these, using this occurrence, I am here using mango or orange. That means OR, I am finding the substring OR, but it is there 2 occurrences there, right? Here is one occurrence, here is another occurrence, right? So here my substring occurrences are 2 in the main string, but what I am going to find here from the first position, give me the position of the second occurrence. The second occurrence is this one, right? This OR is the second occurrence of this substring. So here the output should come here, right? Like this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So output should come as number 8. Let's see, 8. So I am getting the desired result, right? I think you understood. Okay, fine. Now instr cases, all the cases as I discussed, if you understood, so in any instr case you can solve. Number 4, I'll discuss the next character manipulation function, that is length. So this length function will take string as a one argument and it returns the length of the string. Okay, now let's see the example. Select length John, okay, from dual. So it will give 4 as output, right? The length of the John string John is 4, so it is giving the desired output. Okay, number 5. So number 5 is lpad. So lpad function will take 3 parameters, like string is the first parameter, second is total length, and third is padded characters. So it basically pads the specific character what I'll give in this position, the padded characters, and to the string in the main string, which string I will provide here, so that the total length will be this total length equal to this total length. So now if I go to an example, so just I am writing here, it pads the specified character to the left of the, that is lpad, that means to the left of the string, so that total length matches. Okay, now come to the example. Select, I write here lpad, I am writing as string important, and so here important, my string is important. So what is the length of this string? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I want to make it triple star important. Okay, that is total will be 12. So I have to give here 12 to total length of the string, of output string, and I have to pad here with a star in the left side. Okay, so I'll write like this, from dual. So let's see here, I am getting the desired result. The total length is 12 and I am padding 3 star from in the left side of my given string. Okay, fine. Now the next is rpad. It's just the same thing, and it will give it will pad the specified character to the right side. Okay, it is left side and it will be in the right side. Okay, fine. Now let's see the same example I can write with rpad and it is the query will be like this, and I'll get star here on the right side, okay, and the total length will be 12. Okay, fine. Now come to the next character function. The next is replace. And this replace function will take 3 parameters. First one is string, second one is search string, and third is replacement string. That means we are going to replace a substring with the other string, that is the replacement string, in our main string. Okay, so this is the main string. So in main string we are searching a substring and we will replace it with our replacement string. Fine. So it will search for the searchable string, right? And replace with the replacement string, right? So let's see the example here. Select replace John Doe. So I am providing here main string, that is John Doe, and my search string will be here DOE. I am going to replace DOE by, let's see, SIR. Okay, my replacement string will be, here is I am giving SIR from Google. See here, just it replaces the searchable string with the replacement string. Okay, fine. So that's all for the character manipulation functions right now. So in this video I have discussed all the SQL string functions, Oracle SQL string functions. So I explained case manipulation functions and also character manipulation functions, and what are the functions in case manipulation functions, their working principle in the actual in SQL environment, and also the character manipulation functions and what are all the character manipulation functions. These are mainly the important character manipulation functions we mostly use in Oracle SQL, and their how they works in actually in SQL environment. So that's all for this video, and just like this video if you find it helpful, and if you learned something from this video, just subscribe my channel and hit the notification or bell icon to watch my next video. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.